Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send money from the UK to Nigeria using Moniepoint's Money World app. But before anything else, keep in mind you must download and register on the Money World app, which is the specific remittance service for this purpose. So with that out of the way, let's get started. First, download and register on the Money World app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account and complete all the verification steps to get started. Next, you want to fund your Money World account. You can use bank transfers, debit or credit cards, Apple Pay, or even Google Pay to add money to your account. Once your account is funded, you want to go to the send money option, select UK to Nigeria, and enter the amount in GBP, and then fill in the recipient's Nigerian bank account details. Finally, confirm the transaction. The great thing about Money World is that the transactions usually arrive in seconds and there are no transfer fees, making it fast, simple, and convenient. And that's it. Now you know how to send money from UK to Nigeria using Moniepoint app. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.